In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Crunchyroll on Amazon Prime. And as you can see, you should just copy this browser in your website. So Amazon.com, as you can see in here, you should just copy this into your web browser. And as you can see, there's the Amazon Prime plus the Crunchyroll. So $14.99 plus $7.99. So if we combine that two, let's continue. This is where we have to know the price. So I just have to log in here. So once you're in here, once you have logged in to your Amazon, as you can see, this is the with the Amazon Prime. This is where you also buy. So if you are a fan, you can buy this for $7.99 with or if you plan this, you have a 7-day free trial even in Mega Fan. So the fan is has the full access of Crunchyroll library, while the Mega Fan has the ability to download, to have discounts, and to have a game vault in your Crunchyroll. So after you select the plan, as you can see, you will be navigated or you will be put into this page, and you will be filling up the name of your card, the card number, and the security code, and you just have to add payment and just click continue, and that's it.